Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser for your CUBOT Tab 10. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. Here we want to find the app called the Microsoft Edge. Now select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. Here you can sign in to turn on synchronization, adjust your data sharing preferences, set Edge as a default browser, and lastly, let's open any website and see if it works. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.